Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. And this video, I wanted to actually make a quick, somewhat of an unboxing video on this Hondo Garage cell phone mount. I've been looking at several different ones. I got a Toyota Tacoma, so this is particularly what that is. So as you can see, Toyota phone bundle, because you can get the mount and the holder, etc. Made in USA. Yeah, so let's take a quick look. This is basically what that's going to look like. It's the holder itself there. They can obviously spread out, open and hold them when needed. Let's see how this works. Sweet. So that's kind of like the holder there. We also got, okay, cool. So this is kind of like that joint mount. You can kind of see there what it's supposed to do, at least. But yeah, I found these guys actually on Instagram, and they got me. So I wanted to check this out and see how that's all going to work. But ultimately, yeah, just been looking and really needing some kind of a hands-free mount. And from what I've seen, very, very sturdy. So it's definitely going to offer some good stabilization. Not like I do a whole ton of off-roading or anything, but it really does serve for those purposes when they arise. So definitely some nice opportunities. Did I maybe get two of these? Sweet. Hey, maybe I'll do like a contest or something. And then we're gonna have the kind of like, yeah, the joint here, so you can screw those up. Yes, yep, double socket arm, cool. And then this is gonna be where actually you gotta change to bolt these on to the air vent itself. So that's actually where it's gonna be stationary on there, so it's gonna work out really well. There you go. So you can kind of see here, quick little depiction of that. You can pop, looks like, yeah, you would probably just attach it, pop it off. That looks pretty sweet. And then we got some stickers. So I'm all about that. But just to give you guys a better understanding of what I'm even talking about, let's see if this opens up more. Okay, yeah, so pretty ideal. Let's see, the phone's gonna be held up there. Squeeze, it's gonna give it the perfect squeeze, and then obviously some nice stabilization. Got some mounting options right there. And then you have the different adjustments as well. So, but looks like we got a lifetime guarantee. Has a part break for any reason, repair, replace it for free. We get it, stuff happens. That's pretty sweet. Can't complain there. So we got that. And honestly, be sure to check them out. They have all kinds of different other accessories that is not just for Toyota Tacomas, but obviously they have a couple other things. So far it looks like they really do care about, you know, their customer service, reviews, etc. And I'll bring it a little closer if it catches it. Yep. At Hondo Garage, Instagram, check them out there. So you can see what all they have, and then some cool stickers. But like I said, just want to be sure to kind of give you guys a quick little unboxing video, see what all the different things that this can do, so you can test and see if you guys already have something like this. I mean, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what else is being used out there. But again, ultimately want to be set up. I'm in Georgia, so I don't want to get any tickets. I have gone one before, so this might be a good alternative. And also just for, you know, convenience, visibility, safety, etc. Anyways, thanks guys for checking it out. Let me know what you're using in the comments. And maybe if you have this, let me know if you like it as well. Thanks. All right, got a chance to just install it, so I wanted to give you guys a quick visual. It's a little dark in my garage, but you can get a good feel for the mount. So obviously you can set it up wherever you want. That's where the phone would, so you can see that. But then down here, you can see how it's going to be mounted to the actual air vent. It's actually just a slide in. This is a whole separate piece, while this one is just screwed onto it right there. So just wanted to have my flashlight here so you guys can get a good feel for it. But obviously just use the weight of the balance to kind of lean forward a little bit. But obviously you can move it however you may need it to. You know, you can twist it, move it around. You got the kind of like the arm bar right here. You can twist it. So honestly, it's pretty good. I can probably tighten it a little bit more, but for the most part, yeah, it's going to be a nice tight fit. So wanted to give you guys a good illustration on that for the Hondo garage. And like I said, it's not just Tacoma that they make them for, but obviously the attachment will be specific to that. Alrighty, be sure to check them out.